Hi everyone. So I'm from Team DevNexa Strangers from Technomain Salt Lake, representing CAC AIML and ECS department. And today I'll be presenting on our project Shokoj Path, that is a peer-to-peer learning platform for students to share knowledge and skills, exchange notes, and maybe just share experiences as the learning journey. The problem that we thought of while creating the project was that what usually happens is in our college classes all the doubts don't get cleared, or we don't have the time to get it cleared. And also maybe just we want to do skill development, learn something new that is not just in our curriculum, and there are just too many courses out there with no clear direction, and we waste so much time on irrelevant skill instead of what's actually in demand. And also we don't get what we need, what we really understand from the best learners out there. And in this journey what happens is we often pay a lot than what we really need to. And also sometimes we need notes for our, say, semester examination, or just we need to discuss something from our alumni, but we can't find who is the right for us. So no single space that connects learning, mentorship, and earning. So what we thought is, why not just put everything together and create a single intelligent campus to career ecosystem that matches learner with the right skills and mentor, provides structured AI driven learning paths, allows peer to peer earning and sharing of notes and resources, and builds a collaborative community for learners. The solutions that we thought of are, like, there will be two set of users: one who wants to share their skills, who wants to share their experiences, and who wants to charge on them, who wants to earn money with them, and the other set of users who wants to actually learn from the best. And what will get them matched is artificial intelligence, smart matching. Uh, and what AI will do is not just get prompts like ChatGPT or Gemini, but AI will actually take their resumes, their interests, their profile, their career goals, and match the best mentors, the best courses, the best learners, the best seniors from them, that particular thing. And there is also a community where there will be notes and resources shared, lab reports shared, and suppose someone actually wants some notes, and someone already has really good resources and notes on them, so they can charge a small amount and actually earn from them. What AI will do is that they will check quality and integrity, they will do a plagiarism check, they will see that the content is authentic or not. So like most of the people, you'll also think that this is already there in the market, but it's actually not. Because why? Unlike Coursera on Unacademy, our platform provides peer-to-peer community-first learning. And unlike note-selling platforms, AI ensures originality, no plagiarized or low-value content. Also, unlike LinkedIn, there is campus-first adoption, then expansion to wider community. There will be also certificates provided from startup companies, and definitely it's a great way of earning through educating. This is the architectural workflow where users enter, fills their profile, then shares their experiences and notes, and charge a small amount of them. From the skills and experiences that is shared, the learners show interest and actually buy them, and the AI matching engine matches them and and takes them to a place where they can get learning paths, personalized profile building, recommended skills and courses. And for the note sharing community, there will be a community forum or knowledge hub. Users can upload notes, lab reports, or study material where AI will do quality and plagiarism check. And also for premium users, we can put AI part summaries and micro learning suggestions where AI will give bite sized notes or flashcards or quiz from the notes that the users are providing. The technological approach, we are using Next.js, React Native, and Tailwind CSS in the front end, Node.js and Fast API for backend. Database we will do in NoSQL, that is MongoDB. The AIML layer will be implemented through TensorFlow, PyTorch, Claude, Hugging Face transformers, Gemini APIs, etc. And for payments, we are opting for Razorpay. Then for feasibility or impact, what we have is MVP can be launched using existing AI APIs plus scalable full stack architecture. Payments enabled through credits or tokens for microtransactions. The challenges that we have are maintaining the content quality, preventing plagiarism, scaling moderation, and also there are many strategies to overcome, and that is also through artificial intelligence. There is peer review plus rating system. Our target audience is mainly students and seniors who have just got jobs or just gotten into, say, MTech for our case. But everyone can use it, like job seekers, people who just want to put a side hustle, people who wants to tutor, peer mentors, or even researchers. The benefits include social benefits like it democratizes mentorship and resource access. Educational benefits and economic benefits is already there, and there is also a collaborative pathway of learning. Our business model, I already explained it, which is people will earn through what they provide in the form of notes, courses, videos, learning resources, etc. And also there will be events like boot camps or seminar where people can actually teach in a 3-day basis or 4-day basis, like that. So this is what we made. These are our team members. I am Oiticho Roy, the team leader, and I have worked with Anirban Ghosh, Rudra Dash, and Devopriya, and our mentor was Pujarini ma'am from Technomin Salt Lake, and we love to work in the topic. Thank you.